Welcome. If you are looking for downloaded files in your Honor 8A, right now I'm gonna show you how to find it. So for the first, we are going to open the Wi-Fi, go for the Google Chrome. Let's start. And right now we are going to download picture. So maybe I will take a photo from the Google of the Justin Bieber. So go for the graphic, click here, click hold, tap on the download, continue, click allow, and right now we have to find our file, and it will be probably in the files, and we can find it in the tools. No, it's not here, so maybe it will be, let's go for the gallery, and here we have the downloads. And as you can see, here's the picture that we get from the Google Chrome. So this is how it looks, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.